wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 6 best milling machines. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. It's not going to tackle those heavy-duty jobs, but the OTMT Mini OT2213 has enough features to make it ideal for smaller shops. It includes a detailed instruction manual and 0.0001-inch dial increments for accuracy, but it only has 2 spindle speed options. At number 5, the Sherline 5400 CNC does a great job of holding the working item, making it useful for precision drilling and fly cutting. It's made in the USA and has adjustable zero hand wheels, as well as a helpful laser-engraved reference scale. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Jet 350017 JMD15 has a one-piece cast iron column for optimal support, and a nifty quick slide latch allows for quicker belt adjustment. It comes with a tapered base for easier cleanup and a convenient 360-degree swivel head, as well as extra-large hand wheel knobs. To get links to all this stuff and add to this list, search for Ezvid Wiki Milling Machines. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the OTMT OT25020 is belt-driven and comes with the standard R8 spindle, just like you find on large commercial mills. It includes a drawbar, chuck, and arbor wrench, as well as coarse feed and fine feed options, as well as a reverse for taping holes. At number 2, with features like a tilting head and multifunction digital scale on the quill, the Grizzly G0619 makes any job easier. It comes with an accurate digital speed display and easy push-button speed controls, as well as a spindle scale that reads metric and inches. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Shopfox M1001 is industrial quality and can stand up to heavy-duty daily use with its 1.5 horsepower motor and variable speed power. It comes with a gooseneck light that illuminates the work area, as well as a cabinet stand for tool storage and a single-shot maintenance lube system. To get links to all this stuff and add to this list, search for Ezvid Wiki Milling Machines.